Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. This is the Vikings Garage. 1,000 subscribers, man. I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate every single one of you. And stay tuned because we're just getting warmed up, man. I got a lot more coming your way. Here's a little sneak preview of something that we should be expecting in the near future. So stay tuned, and once again, thank you. So right behind this 4Runner, there's a car that you don't see every day. Although I might not know much about it, I definitely wanted to share this with you guys. Any clues yet? I think that wing kind of gives it away. Let's take a closer look. Wow. I think I'm starting to see what's the hype about these GT3s. What a car. How can you not like this? Look how aggressive this wheel slash brake setup is. These are clearly very nice tires. Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2s. Wow. I gotta say, this is quite literally the biggest caliber I've ever seen in person. I'm pretty sure of that. Wow, and this wing profile, the back of this car is just beautiful.